Welcome to our ultimate guide to the best retinol serums on the market. Retinol is a powerhouse ingredient that can help reduce fine lines, improve skin texture, and combat acne. However, choosing the right retinol serum for your needs can be overwhelming with so many options available. That's why we've narrowed it down to the top 5 products, each with unique benefits to suit different skin types and concerns. Stay tuned as we break down their features, usability, and durability, so you can make the best choice for your skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Skinceuticals. The Skinceuticals Retinol 0.5 Refining Night Cream is a professional-grade serum designed for advanced skincare needs. Its 0.5% pure retinol formula ensures visible results in reducing fine lines and improving skin tone while being suitable for most skin types. Key features: this serum combines encapsulated retinol with botanical extracts like chamomile to soothe irritation while delivering potent anti-aging benefits. The encapsulation allows for a gradual release, minimizing sensitivity often associated with retinol products. Benefits and usage: apply a pea-sized amount to clean, dry skin at night, starting 2 to 3 times per week and gradually increasing usage. Regular application can result in smoother skin, reduced pore size, and diminished signs of aging. Usability: Skinceuticals has ensured a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly, making it suitable for layering with a moisturizer. It's also free of parabens and fragrances, catering to sensitive skin types. Durability: packaged in a sturdy, opaque tube, this serum maintains stability over time, preserving the effectiveness of the retinol. A little goes a long way, making the product last for months even with regular use. In the second spot, we have La Roche-Posay. The La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum is a dermatologist-recommended product that combines retinol with vitamin B3 to deliver effective results while minimizing irritation. It's a great option for beginners and those with sensitive skin. Key features: this serum features pure retinol along with niacinamide, known for its calming and hydrating properties. It also includes glycerin to keep the skin moisturized and supple. The formula is non-comedogenic, ensuring it won't clog pores. Benefits and usage: the inclusion of vitamin B3 makes it particularly suitable for sensitive skin, helping to soothe and strengthen the skin barrier. Use it at night on clean skin, followed by a moisturizer, for visibly smoother, healthier skin over time. Usability: the lightweight serum glides on easily and doesn't leave a sticky residue. Its dropper applicator ensures precise application, making it easy to incorporate into your nightly routine. Durability: with its carefully sealed packaging, the retinol remains potent throughout the product's lifespan. Regular use of a single bottle can last several months, depending on your application frequency. Coming in at number 3 is the Paula's Choice. The Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Treatment is a high-strength serum designed for experienced retinol users looking for noticeable anti-aging and skin-renewing results. It's formulated to be effective without causing excessive irritation. Key features: this serum includes 1% retinol, peptides for added anti-aging benefits, and soothing plant extracts like licorice and oat. It's also infused with antioxidants to protect against environmental damage. Benefits and usage: use it as part of your nighttime routine, starting with a small amount once a week and gradually increasing frequency. Over time, it improves skin texture, reduces fine lines, and brightens skin tone. Usability: the lotion-like texture spreads easily and absorbs well, making it easy to layer under other skincare products. The airless pump packaging protects the formula from degradation. Durability: each pump dispenses just the right amount of product, ensuring no waste. The airtight packaging keeps the product fresh, so you can use it over several months without compromising its efficacy. Taking our 4th spot is Neutrogena. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Oil is a drugstore favorite that packs a punch with its lightweight yet effective formula. It's designed for all skin types and works to visibly reduce wrinkles and fine lines within a week of use. Key features: this oil-based serum contains accelerated retinol SA and hyaluronic acid, which work together to smooth skin, boost hydration, and enhance retinol penetration. It's gentle enough for daily use. Benefits and usage: apply 4 to 5 drops onto clean skin in the evening, either alone or mixed with your moisturizer. It works to deliver a noticeable improvement in skin texture and tone, even after a few uses. Usability: the oil-based formula absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue, making it suitable for layering with other products. Its dropper bottle ensures easy application. Durability: one bottle of this serum lasts a long time, thanks to its concentrated formula. The opaque glass bottle protects the retinol from light exposure, maintaining its potency. At number 5, we have Mirad. The Mirad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum is a high-performance product designed to address multiple signs of aging while being gentle on the skin. Its unique formulation is backed by advanced retinol technology. Key features: this serum features Murad's patented retinol triactive technology, which combines fast-acting retinol, time-released retinol, and a retinol booster. It also contains hyaluronic acid and plant-based ingredients to hydrate and smooth skin. Benefits and usage: apply 1 pump to clean, dry skin in the evening. With consistent use, you'll notice reduced wrinkles, firmer skin, and a brighter complexion. Its gentle formula makes it suitable even for retinol beginners. Usability: the lightweight, creamy texture spreads evenly and absorbs quickly, making it a great addition to your nighttime routine. The pump dispenser is hygienic and easy to use. Durability: the airtight packaging preserves the formula's efficacy, ensuring consistent results throughout the product's use. A single bottle lasts for several months with regular application. There you have it, the best retinol serums to elevate your skincare routine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these options cater to various skin concerns and preferences. Retinol is a powerful ingredient, and with the right product, you can achieve smoother, younger-looking skin. Don't forget to start slow, always pair retinol with sunscreen during the day, and consult a dermatologist if you have specific concerns. If this guide helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare insights. See you in the next video.